Pleasure to introduce Dr. HIRAL PARIKH, Head of Research at the School of Engineering and Technology, NAVRACHNA University, VADODARA. Dr. PARIKH holds a PhD in Mechanical Engineering from Charuset University and ME in Machine Design from Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya, Sardar Patel University, and BE in Mechanical and Engineering from GH Patel College of Engineering, Sardar Patel University. Dr. Parikh research focus on fiber-reinforced composite materials, composite manufacturing, and tribology. She has amassed valuable experience through her work at various esteemed institutions. Among her professional achievements, Dr. Parikh has been an invited reviewer for reputed international journals and served as a newsletter editorial board member for the Composite Excellence Center of Asia in 2020. She was also honored with NUV SET Dean's Choice Award for the academic year 2015-2016. Today, Dr. Parikh will be delivering a talk on the role of universities in the growth of composites. This topic is crucial as it highlights the significant contributions and potential of academic institutions in advancing composite materials research and development. We welcome you, ma'am.
It's not working. Thank you, Dr. Sani. But there is a little bit glitch in that. The topic is I was asked to deliver a short presentation on the growth of the composite materials at NAVRACHNA University. What we are doing at the NAVRACHNA University, because NAVRACHNA University is a very young university, and as a young university, we are doing to train the students, young minds in the field of composite materials. That is what my topic is. And first, as I am going to brief you about the NAVRACHNA University, because NAVRACHNA is a partner for this. So first, let me start with the briefing of the NAVRACHNA University. I am going to take a few minutes for that. NAVRACHNA University, that is started somewhere in 2012. With the Gujarat Private University Act (UGC), with the intent to offer the quality educations, and there are 5 schools that comprises of the NAVRACHNA University: School of Business and Law, School of Environmental Design and Architecture, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Liberal Studies and Education, School of Science. So these are the 5 schools that comprises of NAVRACHNA University, and we are offering 13 undergraduate programs, 8 PG programs, 2 integrated programs, and the 4 schools that are offering the PhD programs. Now, we believe in the choice-based learning, and that can be seen from students at the NAVRACHNA University. The students are learning the different courses under the 5 different pointers. The first one, it is mandatory discipline-specific courses, where the students are getting an in-depth knowledge of their subject-specific, which is mandatory for all the students of all the branches. Second, it is a university elective courses, where the students are having a flexibility to choose the subjects of their own choice. Just an example, if the mechanical engineering students, if he is willing to if he is willing to learn something on the basics of stock market, so he can able to take the subject which is offered by the School of Business and Law. Similarly, if the School of Architecture students, if he is willing to take the subjects, or if he is willing to learn something on the robotics, so he can able to take the course which is offered by the mechanical engineering program, right? So that is university elective baskets. In this semester we have offered around 120 subjects, and the students opportunity or the flexibility to choose the subjects of their own choice. The third one, it is minor discipline. So here the students are having an opportunity to select the minor discipline as we are offering a minor disciplines and they will get the certificate for this. Fourth one, it is a course project, which is again a mandatory subject for all the students, where the students are going to work on the social, when the students are going to work on the problem which is social relevance. So just in this, the faculty members, they are going to float the problems as social importance, and the students, interdisciplinary group of the students, they are going to work, and finally they will propose the solutions for this. And the fourth one, that is a university foundation program, in which we'll take care about the nurturing the basic foundation skills of the students. So reading and writing courses, the critical thinking, research skills, basic programming languages. So these are the subjects that is going to be covered under the university foundation. This will give the basic idea about the learning path of any students at the NAVRACHNA University, and that believes the NAVRACHNA University philosophy that believes in the choice-based learning, that can be seen. Now coming back to this topic, that is a growth of the composite materials at the NAVRACHNA University. So I would like to discuss here on the 4 pointers, that is the faculty profiles. Second one, we have included this composite materials in our curriculum. Third one, that is a current research work which is going on in the field of composite materials at the NAVRACHNA. We have organizing a number of workshops and seminars to spread the awareness about the composite materials. And finally, the hands-on session that what we are giving to the students so that they will have they will have an idea about the manufacturing of the composite materials. So I feel first starting with the faculty profile at the NAVRACHNA University. In the core engineering discipline, we are having 20% of the staff members, those who are having a research background in the field of composite, or either they are having a specialization in the field of composite materials. They are mainly working in the field of the natural fiber, metal matrix composites, and the designing of composites. So these are the major research profile of the faculty members. And the major research work which is going on by the faculty members, that is a first area, that is the sir just now he has said that the academia, they are normally working in the field of they will do the lots of testing in the field of composite. That is what we are also doing. The first part, it is in the natural fiber. We are creating the natural fiber or the manufacturing the natural fiber by using a different types of the fibers. Maybe in the matrix, maybe in the fiber forms, or maybe in the yarn forms fibers, or the fabric form of the fiber. So we are manufacturing the different composite materials by using a layup technique or by using a VRTM processes. We have already created the number of the composite materials, hybrid composite materials. We have also tried by using a number of fillers in the resin materials, because we wanted to achieve certain properties. So we have tried with a number of fillers in the resin materials and created different kinds of FRP composite materials. We did the testing of that, and we have seen that whether we are getting the similar results that what we so that is one area where we are working. Second area, that is again on the natural fiber we are working, but here the application, it is a potential acoustic material. So this we have already tried by using the waste from the coil fiber and from the sugarcane fiber. So we have tried to develop the test coupon, which is highlighted here. The two test coupon which we have manufactured by using a hot press technique, and we have done the impedance tube testing on that to identify the acoustic coefficient for this, and we have got a very good results, very promising results we have got for this. And these results we have also compared with some commercially available acoustic material, ply sheets and the timber sheets. We have compared with that, and we can say that we are getting definitely a very direction also. And third direction that where we are working, that is creating a filament from the composite material itself, because that PLA filament, that is commercially available, right? But composite filaments, specifically by using a natural fibers as a fillers, so that is a very difficult to achieve that. And here in this area, now presently we are rigorously working on to create the filament by using the composite material, natural fiber as a filler. So if you could able to achieve this, then we can able to do the 3D printing by using this natural fiber reinforced composite material. We are working. We have already started working on this, but we are not getting a success in this direction. So we really looking for us in this direction to create the composite filament. Second, this is a faculty profile. The second one, it is a student curriculum, and in the student we have a very well defined student curriculum at the undergraduate and the postgraduate levels. So at the undergraduate level, we are offering this subject, composites as a tribo material, as an elective subjects, and the students are really, as we are having a choice-based curriculum, the students selecting the subject based upon their choice, but admission in this particular subject. So students are really liking this subject, composites as tribo material. And second, it is a post-graduation level. We are offering a thermal aspects of composite material, where we are covering a thermal aspects of the composite material. So this is how this subjects, it is already there in our curriculum. Third one, that is, we are also emphasizing on the hands-on session. That is very important, because it is something like, you are witnessing the birth of a totally new material. So the emphasizing on the the hands-on session. So this is a one project with the students they have carried out, and this time we have asked them to create a grading system which has a commercial value. We have asked them to create this grading system. So as academia, we were not aware of that how exactly to create the mold and how to do the setup for this. So the went to the industry, those who are a manufacturer of this grading system, and the students, they have learned in that. The industry people, they were so kind that they have guided the students at what kind of the mold that they require, and from that they have created this. If I could able to on this video, chalega kya video? That's okay otherwise. So students, they have learn how to to do the manufacturing of this grading system by using a glass fiber and the epoxy resins. And after that, they have also learned in this. They have also learned that how to take it out the product from the mold, because that is also very critical part. So that is a hands-on session where they have learned about this removing the product from the mold part. And third, it is a secondary process, is also very important. That is what they have learned in the third stage, right? So this is how the students are learning. The next, we are also taking a certain, we are also giving a certain projects, not only on the hands-on, not only on the hand layup technique, but also they are using a VRTM process to develop certain test coupons, because we are creating a number of natural fiber reinforced composite materials. So they are where we are using a VRTM process. So they are creating the test coupons by using this VRTM process. Few of the students, they have used the natural fiber and they have created the product which has the architectural point of view which has a value. So they have created the product something like this. So likewise, they are having a lots of hands-on sessions on the composite material. That's why they are liking the subjects more. So whatever they will learn in the theory part, they are correlating that things in the practical sessions, and they are creating. Apart from this, we have now started exploring the 3D printing of the material, and that is for that we have introduced one subject called as a solid modeling and 3D printing concept. So this we are offering as a university elective courses, and throughout the university, whoever the students are interested in this, they are taking up the subjects. So I would like to emphasize here, we have used a PLA filament, which is a commercially available PLA filament. The students, they have learned the designing of this by using a Creo software. They have done the designing of this, and then they have done layer wise. They have done how to do the slicing of the materials, and then they have 3D printed this part. The first, it is showing the NAVRACHNA University model. The second one, it is a lab model, computer lab model, where they have very precisely chair, table, CPU, mouse, everything very precisely they have done the designing of this, and after that they have scaled down the model and then they have 3D printed this. Obviously the infill density is very less, so we could not able to get exact figure, but if we can improve the infill density, then definitely we can have a better idea of this. The next one, it is something like this. They have taken this designing of this key holders from the Amazon. Then they have took up this design in the in the software. They have modified the design. They have done. They are doing in the field of 3D printing. And this we are emphasizing 3D printing because presently they are doing these things with the help of a PLA filament. But we are in a process. We are rigorously working to create a biofilaments. So if you could able to achieve this, all these products which is done with the help of a PLA filament, we can able to use waste material, the filament manta, we can use that material and we can create this particular product. So that is what is our aim is, to guide the students to make, to guide the students in the 3D printing also. So this is the one aspect. The second aspect is to spread the awareness. We are also conducting a various seminars and the workshops. So we have conducted the seminars and the workshop in the field of two we have done in collaboration with Composite Excellence Center of Asia. We have also got a very grants from the fundings we have got it from the Kuch Coast to organize these workshops and the seminar. So this is what we are doing at the NAVRACHNA University. That is what I was asked to tell you, that what we are doing at the NAVRACHNA. We are very young. Just 10 years back, we have started this program. So as being a very young university, what we are doing spreading the awareness of the composite material. That is what I was asked to to tell to you. So that is what is from my side. So as academia, we are we are spreading the awareness with reference to the curriculum, research environment. But if we have a more collaborative work with the industries, if we have a more collaborations with the industry, we can definitely work in a proper directions. Likewise, we are whatever work we are doing, it is simply giving a projects. That's what I am feeling is we are giving a projects to. But if the industry people can tell us that what exactly the need of the industry is, and if we work in that direction, I think that will be that will have a more impact. So we are really looking for that kind of collaboration from the industries. Thank you.